Welcome to the Sand and Track channel with a series on four-wheel drive systems where I explain how they work on different cars. Today's car is the Range Rover Sport. The Auto mode, which is the everyday driving mode. It's the simplest mode to begin with. This is the mode that you use for everyday normal driving, whether on highways, city roads, and it automatically distributes power to all four wheels depending on the road conditions and needs. Grass, gravel, or snow, it optimizes settings for slippery conditions and enhances traction on slippery surfaces like snow. Mud and Rut is a four-wheel drive mode that adjusts the vehicle systems to maintain momentum and control in muddy and uneven terrains. Sand and Desert mode is another four-wheel drive mode which maintains fast and quick throttle response and quicker torque delivery for sandy driving. Traction control, why do you need to disable it? It's because when you drive off-road, you do not want the car to think that the wheels are spinning and you do not want it to cut the power to your wheels. Hill descent control is a feature that applies automatic brakes on steep hills or slopes, so it keeps the speed of the car low and allows it to descend in a controlled fashion. I really hope you found this video useful. Choosing the right 4x4 setting makes a huge difference in off-road driving. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button for more off-road explanations and leave any comments below. Thank you.